drone detection and positioning all-in-one equipment takes the all-in-one design of suitcase for easy transportation. Advanced cognitive radio protocol cracking technology realizes drone detecting, identifying, early warning, positioning, and trajectory tracking. When there is a drone in the defense area, the device can generate an alarm by sound and light. Meanwhile, through CRPC plus message and protocol cracking, it can get the real-time position of RC remote controller and track the trajectory of the target drone in real time, suitable for escorting on the ground and air support. Work along design without manual assembly, and it can be deployed quickly. According to the flat point on the panel of the main unit, the antennas should be connected to the corresponding connectors one by one in a clockwise direction. The device is powered by a built-in lithium battery with a duration up to 12 hours. The device supports AC power or UPS. Detected information can be displayed directly on the device. The device can be remotely monitored from the TCP/IP interface. 4G or wireless network connection are available as well. The software interface mainly consists of two functional parts. The function menu is on the left side. The information display area is on the right side. The system will generate an automatically alarm when drones are being detected. The main interface displays information such as the number of drone, model, frequency, direction, altitude. Serial number detected by the system aligns with the drone's identification. Meanwhile, the device can carry out real-time positioning and trajectory tracking of the UAV and RC remote controller. Click the Statistics button to check the drone incident statistics report. Through clicking the Device button, user can instantly check and monitor the status. Click the Setting button. User can view the software version, offline map, and others. Meanwhile, whitelisted drones can be added and modified.